Let's have a look at finding a fraction of a quantity. So our first example, let's try and find 2/3 of 21. Our first step that we're going to do here is to find 1/3 of 21. 1/3 of 21 is 7, because if you are finding a third of something, you are going to divide by 3. So we know that 1/3 of 21 is 7. If we want to find what 2/3 is, we're going to take this 7 and times it by 2. So 2/3 of 21 is 7 times 2, which is 14. And that is your final answer. So steps that you're going to take here are your denominator, your bottom number, you're going to divide, and then you're going to take your numerator, your top number, and then multiply. So let's use that with a second example. Okay, so let's find 3/4 of £36. Our first step, we are going to find out what 1/4 is of 36. And to find 1/4, you're going to divide by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. And back up to our original question, 3/4 of 36. Well, if we know 1/4, we're now going to times it by 3. So 9 times 3 is 27. And in our question, we are dealing with pounds, so we need to remember our pound symbol. 27 pounds. Third example, 4/5 of 145 centimetres. So before we try and find 4/5, we're just going to find out what 1/5 is. And if you don't know what that is straight away, just go ahead and use your division step. So 145 divided by 5. 5 into 1 does not go, so we carry the 1 over. 5 into 14 goes twice. Carry the 4 over, and then 5 into 45 goes 9 times. So we know that 1/5 of 145 is 29. We are now wanting to find, go back to our first example, 4/5. So if we know what 1/5 is, we're now going to times that 1/5 by 4. Again, if you don't know what that is straight away, no problem at all. We can just write out our normal calculation. And we're timesing by 4. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 2 is 8. And add on the 3. So our answer here is 116 centimetres.